The colonization of the Mars is very difficult and most challenging. So the availability of the human on the Mars is very difficult and colonization is very challenging due to the environment of the Mars. Let's understand about the Mars environment for living organism. So in this way, here is the solar system. In this way, contain Earth is very close to the Sun, while the Mars is very away. And in this way, the less temperature, and in this mostly minus 69 degrees Celsius temperature, which that is everything convert into the ice due to the less temperature, while the pressure is also less. Here is the solar system contain Mercury first, Venus is the planet second, Earth is the third, and the fourth is the Mars. So remember about that things. The Mars is basically contain very cold environment with the dust, and that is why it show the reddish color. And the Martian environment contain minus 63 degrees Celsius temperature and argon, nitrogen 1.9% and carbon dioxide 96%, which that is most high as compared to the Earth. Earth contains 0.003% carbon dioxide. Traces gases is acetylene, carbon monoxide, krypton, methane, neon, nitrogen oxide, and oxygen is in the form of trace and the water vapor and xenon, while in the earth the oxygen is the most abundant and nitrogen, which that is the part of living system, because the oxygen 21% and the nitrogen 78.1%. And in this way nitrogen is very important for amino acid synthesis, and in this way the plant fix this nitrogen to convert that protein, which that is important for us. Traces gases argon, carbon dioxide, and the helium, hydrogen, krypton, methane, neon, nitrous oxide, ozone, and other a lot more traces, which that is in the form of gas. For instance, the Mars basically contain a very thin atmospheric sheet, which that not allow to filter, not filter the radiation, and in this the radiation will reside on the surface of the Mars, will damage our DNA. Atmospheric pressure is very low. In this way the basically atmospheric pressure is 0.00605 atmospheric pressure as compared to the earth is 1. So in the form of millimeter of mercury, 760 millimeter of mercury for earth. So according to the Boyle law, for example, here is the mass whenever you will apply to the gas. So this is the atmospheric pressure you suppose. So in this way, the Boyle's law means the P1 will change into the P2. The pressure change will convert into the gas to liquid. So in this, the gas will convert into the liquid due to the pressure exert. And in this way, the P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Why? Because the pressure is changed. So in this, the volume decrease to convert liquid. That is the problem. So if the temperature should be constant, so the temperature should be constant but the pressure should be increased, will lead to convert these gaseous water convert into the water, and require the 1 atmospheric pressure, again same of the earth. So the near to this value 760 millimeter of mercury are, so in mass 4.6 millimeter of mercury not convert gas to liquid water but temperature extremely low. So that is why the gas ultimately convert into the ice but not convert into the liquid. That is known as the sublimation, because whenever you will apply the temperature to convert gas not liquid, that is known as sublimation. So in this way whenever the temperature when you decrease, so the atmospheric pressure will not increase, will lead to gas convert ice convert into the gas. So the mostly carbon dioxide and the water in the form of ice in the polar region of the Mars, while the UV radiation can pass due to the thin sheet of the atmosphere of the Mars, which that not allow to filter not ozone layer, which that basically important for the filtration of the UV radiation. So whenever you will away from the Mars, so that decrease the pressure, while whenever you will move inside in the form of tunnel, so the Mars atmospheric pressure will increase. In this way, remember about that things. Whenever you will go into the deep side in the form of tunnel, so living in the tunnel which that increase the atmospheric pressure, and in this increase the pressure will lead to convert water into the water gas into the liquid. So we can think about that. We can approach the atmospheric pressure one as same like a earth, but the uh, living system, the prevention of cosmic radiation also important, so that all things can be clear, and prevention of living basically prevention of living body to gas conversion, so that will not possible. For example, whenever you will live in the Mars, your body will evaporate. Why? Because atmospheric pressure will not allow to leave liquid water into the human body. So this is the basically the water will not convert into the liquid. So the 4 degrees Celsius temperature in the earth basically also convert the water, basically remain water. So remember, even the 1 degree Celsius the snow to convert liquid again when temperature will increase. So the 760 millimeter of mercury, the atmospheric pressure will allow to convert water gas into the liquid. And if the temperature increase, the ice convert to gas, not into the water in the Mars, because the pressure is not. So how to increase the pressure? Next video we will understand about the increase of the pressure of the Mars to allow the water convert into the gas into the liquid by the apply the pressure. How to increase the pressure? So the UV radiation also damage the DNA, while the disruption of the DNA damage and the damage of all cell, even the evaporate of the human. The evaporation of the human basically is very important things, because atmospheric pressure allow to convert the liquid from the gas water, so remain a liquid in our body. So that is why the high protection is possible. So the DNA will damage due to the cosmic radiation on the Mars. So the currently the Mars you will not live easily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for this and bye. Allah Hafiz.